So a couple of Allen screws, you take these together.
Ah, nice job, Tommy. You convinced him, huh?
I
He's
convinced
persuasive, isn't he?
So one for the Tim.
Yeah, I told him you got to do a little more sanding. You can take it apart, 3 sections, a couple of Allen screws, no problem, and all the hooks.
Good.
Well, you guys did a great job. Look at this piece.
All yours, Mauro.
Nice.
So I guess he's taking off, but I'm going to stick around if you need help.
Absolutely. Let's take them one.
Mauro, we did hit the corners with sandpaper as we were putting it together.
Okay. So now all we have to do is sand the rest of it, and we're gonna use a 220 grit sandpaper. Hey Kevin, time to prime this beauty here, all right?
What are you using for primer?
We're gonna use this tinted primer. It's a water-based primer, interior and exterior.
And why tinted?
Because of the color that we're going to use. It's a dip-based color, tinted primer, can't go wrong.
Tinted gray.
Tinted gray. All right, let's pour some of that.
You got a brush handy?
Now some over here.
So I take it we're going to have one roll, one brush?
Yes. Do you want to have a preference, rolling or brushing?
You know what? You're the steady hand, so I'll be the brute force and I'll roll.
All right, deal.
So, okay that I'm painting over the hardware, right? That's what you wanted?
Yeah, I think if we paint it, it's look much better.
So Mauro, this is probably going to end up in a mudroom, hard work and peace. I can see muddy boots, wet coats dripping down here.
Yeah.
Have you taken that into consideration?
Absolutely. So we got this good primer going. And also the paint that we're going to be using is a very tough paint. Scuff resistant and, you know, all the moisture resistant, everything.
Okay.
Well, now that the primer is dry, it's time to fill up all the nail holes, lightly sand, and we'll be ready to paint.
Okay, Mauro, what do you think? You approve?
I approve, looks good. Primer's done, sand is done, clean, because we're gonna be spraying this. I like to protect the back and the surround.
All right, Mauro, time for the reveal. This color.
This
Lay
is
it
a
on me.
big reveal. You want to see the color?
If this is just another gray, I'm going to be very
Not
disappointed.
another gray, not another off-white.
Oh, that's
There we
not
go.
gray. No, that's not gray at all.
All right.
What color do they call this?
This is called classic burgundy. All right?
Beautiful.
And we're gonna be doing a semi-gloss this time.
For extra durability. Higher
Extra
gloss.
durability. High gloss. We're using a lot of satin. This will be a semi-gloss, a little bit of sheen, moisture resistant, everything for this piece of that goes to a mudroom. And then when we're gonna apply this paint, we're gonna use this little sprayer here.
So not your usual professional one, huh? This is homeowner friendly?
It's a homeowner friend. It's
Electric?
it's an electric handheld sprayer. At the front, you have the nozzle that you can flip it, and you can go vertical or horizontally.
Okay.
All right. And over here, you control the airflow.
And then this is your basin. This is not out of a bucket, just out of this.
Not out of the bucket. This is like a container that holds up to 1/4 paint.
Okay.
All right.
Well, let's put it through its paces with some classic burgundy.
Classic burger it is. Let's go.
So what's your application technique?
You overlap by 50% on each pass.
That looks pretty good. So I'm watching you, Mauro, work,
Right.
and you're actually flipping the nozzle so that you're not actually flipping the whole gun, right?
Absolutely. That's one of the main reasons I cannot be flipping the container or the gun is because of the tube that's in there.
Tube is sitting down here, pulling
Tube
from
is
the
sitting
bottom.
down there, and it curves down this way.
So if you ended up turning the gun up on its side or even worked upside down, you're not going to draw paint.
I'm not pick up any paint, and no paint will come out of the to the tip.
So instead of tipping the gun, just tip the
Instead of
nozzle.
tip the gun, all I have to do, like right now, we have the horizontal position. If you want a vertical, all I have to do is that, and I just can go like this. I don't have to be tilting the whole gun.
Right. Helps to be in the hand of a pro, but yeah, get after it.
Well, we need to put more paint on this.
Oh, right.
A little more. That's it.
So you can see the tube you were talking about, right? So this
You
is
can
the
see
input.
how we got the angle up.
Yeah, if that's sitting down
That's
in the
it
bucket.
right there. It catches right at the bottom there.
First coat looks really good.
First coat is beautiful. Looks good. We're gonna let it dry, and then we'll come back and we put the second and final coat on.
And with the second coat of paint on, we can add the hooks. Last hook, 3 in each bay. Huh? You like?
I love it. Look at this.
Yeah, that's a good color, but it makes a
Nice
statement.
Hooks.
Hey, looks good, guys.
What do you think, Pops?
Red, huh?
Oh, no, classic burgundy.
Oh, excuse me.
Just like the wine.
I like the sheen, too. Looks
Yeah.
good. Looks
Nice
good.
job. Nice job.
It looks great. I like it.
All right, well, that's it for us. Until next time, I'm Kevin O'Connor
I'm Mauro Henrique.
And I'm Tom
for
Silva.
Ask This Old House.
Yeah. How'd you like that spray gun?
Oh, that spray gun is okay.
Yeah, looks pretty good, Mauro.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.